it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. A 12-inch round, and I am totally not level. Oh no, I am. Wait a minute. Darn it. Now I'm level. Okay. Now I'm level. It's really important to level your work because otherwise you end up, it ends up flowing all to one side. I'm using Aussie Floetrol in my paints tonight, and I've got 24 karat gold. This is, these are all Decoart Extreme Sheen, 24 karat gold. We have Aquamarine here. This is a mixture of Aquamarine and Emerald with a shot of phthalo turquoise. This is Sapphire. And, ooh, I think I saw a booger in there. No, maybe not. We'll soon find out. And then I have deep Sapphire. So, I am going to do a pearl pour. I'm going to attempt to do a pearl pour. Paint that on my pour over paint is a leftover from a long time ago, and I just added some Aussie Floetrol to it and some water. So I have prepped my round. Actually, guys, I'll fess up. I had a bottle of this. It's been used, but I accidentally left the cap off, and I went to go shake it, and it went flying all over. So I scooped up as much Floetrol as I could, put them in the cups, and I actually put some on here before I put some Artist Loft white, Flow White. So let's get started, guys. What do we want on the bottom? We're gonna go dark on the bottom. I'm gonna leave some paint in reserve, just in case this kind of mucks up or something. I'm doing some ocean colors. Oh, color me shocked, right? And I might embellish them with, I like this color, it's going, yeah. I might embellish them with some fractals. Oh, that looks a little bit too, my gold's a little bit too thick. Oh, darn it, too late now. All right, I'm gonna pour this over top, and then we're gonna spin it out. And hopefully we'll get some nice cells. All right, where's my torch? I see lots of bubbles. That leftover paint, I have no idea what's in it, so I have no idea if it's going to react or not, but let's give it a shot. Let me see here, I need to center that a little bit better. There we go. Oh, always good to anchor your work. Oh man, I can't believe that happened. It's fine now, of course. Well, it wouldn't be the first time. All right, let's see if this works. I think I have to get more paint off of it for it to work. There we go. It's flying off now. Oh my God. There we go. Looks like the cells are starting. Okay, so looks like summer coming up. I wonder if I should give it another spin just for good luck here. I think there's some metallics in my pour over color. I was hoping that the Aussie Floetrol would have helped, but well, we'll see. I'm gonna put you on time lapse and I'll come back and we might be doing this over again. Okay guys, so didn't get as many pearls as I thought I would. It's my base, it's gotta be, but the ones I did get were really pretty. So shimmery. Yum. I'm not crying. And then I did this embellishment in the center and I used Prism Pour in Chantilly lace, and I also used Northern Lights mixed with Vivid Enamels and a little bit of water. Both of them were mixed with water. I tried putting some gold in the center just to tie in the colors, and it didn't work out so well, but it looks like it looks like sea coral. Very shimmery. So hopefully this dries well. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Ciao for now.